while we're doing architectural interventions and changing our showrooms around the world, this is really one of the big transformations we've done for the company, in a sense. As we brought teams from around Europe together here in Munich, it's a meaningful moment for us in this sort of creating these global nodes for our customers and for ourselves. We really wanted to be in Munich. We wanted to be in an international city with a great airport and great connections. We wanted to be in a cultural hub. We saw the design-centric nature of this part of the world as really critical. We also saw it as a great place and a destination for our customers to come. They wanted to come here, and they are here. It was also important to pick an urban site rather than a greenfield site, because that's what many of our customers are facing. Just like them, we took 3 buildings in the heart of a city and had to transform them into our own world.
When we were eating in a local restaurant, that we walked past this building and saw that this does have the potential to accommodate what we were trying to do with the transformation of the way the organization was going to see its future. So that transformation from what was an old way of working into this new way, our impact as designers, together with our collaborators, have transformed what was 3 sort of very tired buildings into a fairly dynamic, sort of creative environment.
The whole idea of the space is that you have to move in it. You have to go from floor to floor. You have to go in the building. You have to meet other person. One detail I like the most is when you go up the stairs, it's almost like the body of a dancer going in the space. So you can only understand them when you are going into the space, not when you are still.
It's a completely new atmosphere. The new entrance that opens up the space in the right way, how you enter the building, and the gentle stair that brings you up to the first floor, and the big stair here that connects the whole building. It's an inviting, inspiring workplace. It's different to what you see outside of here.
Because we really center everything we do on research and insights, really sort of through observation of how people are doing work, and then translate them into our sort of future-oriented applications and products. Every floor is a new discovery for customers, and we try to demonstrate that. We show focus spaces, we show collaborative spaces, we show casual spaces, and we show more formal spaces. All those things come together to create an ecosystem of spaces that customers will really be able to imagine themselves in the future.
The work cafe is a very important element, of course, for everyone who is living here. That's why we only use beautiful materials.
It is the heart of the space. It'll be where you eat and meet and greet, but also for people to be able to relax there and also have a very different contact with the clients, a very different contact with visitors coming in.
Whole idea in interior architecture is to make people happy, to be well in the space, to understand it also. The investment done by Steelcase in the building is also showing that the project is for a long time.
It's not just a showroom, it's a working site for us. Our people are demonstrating and living the propositions and the insights that we've got through our research, and we're demonstrating that through our applications and products that we show here. So when people come to the LINC, they're going to see people working and be able to envision themselves in those spaces rather than just being, say, like a car showroom. How would I feel if I bought that? They're going to be able to see and picture themselves in those applications. So the LINC is an opportunity for change in the Steelcase organization by, again, setting a new tone, defining a new customer experience in the way we interact with our customers globally, not just in the EMEA market, but also describing new ways of working. Every project we do sets a new standard for how we view work today and the future of work.